Sam Ovens would love this, actually. Yesterday I posted about like my school life data tracker coming from my free group where I'm tracking every single metric that there is, total visitors over time, conversion rate, and also I will include churn and other metrics. So as you can see here, this is a Google Sheet automation, the daily metrics. As you can see, this is basically a snapshot of what's happening today. Historical data, which is powering up the dashboard. And luckily, I made a plug and play template out of it. So it comes in this format. So you're just gonna click copy. You're gonna have something like this actually. And what you're gonna do is go first into extensions and then Google App Script. You're just gonna do one thing, activate the script for it to run, and you will not have to deal with the code or modify anything in it. You're just gonna click run. You'll be prompted to authorize the script to run with your account. You're just gonna say yes, and you're gonna have this new menu in your Google Sheets. You're just gonna refresh the sheets, and you're gonna have this, and you will start by setting up the credentials. You'll click on metrics dashboard and then setting up credentials. You will be basically prompted to give your API credentials, which will come from your Skool community, and we're gonna just do this. You're gonna go inside of your community. You're gonna go to settings. Wait, I left the coffee on the stove. I'm coming back. I'm back. The coffee is safe. It's in here. So you're just gonna go to dashboard and then go back. Go to well, this dashboard where you have all the traffic metrics, subscriptions and everything. So this button is actually an API, does basically an API request under the hood. So what you're gonna do is just left click and then inspect elements, and you're gonna go to network in here. So you're just gonna do the reverse the button, and you will be having billing dashboard vs1, and you'll have all these informations, basically the request URL, and on the response headers you will have the auth token, and then under here request headers you'll have SK client ID, auth token, and also GCLAU. So basically you're gonna copy everything, and you don't copy the semicolon, you're just gonna copy the numbers, and you're gonna go back to the credential that you have and then do save settings. You will be prompted by clicking OK in here, and then you're gonna go back to the menu and then fetch data now. It will create for you every single sheet. You don't have to do anything. So you have the daily metrics in here, you have the charts, and you have the historical data also. Step is click on metrics dashboard and then configure trigger data points, basically for example every n minutes or specific time. I would suggest you do n minutes, it's way better. So I chose 30 minutes, which is good, and the school life data tracker will get heavier over time, so you need to do at least 30 to 45 minutes. It's a good thing. So every 45 minutes it takes up a data point, and then you do save trigger like this, and then you'll be prompted to say OK, and perfect, you have your own school life data tracker. So just to test out the charts, we're gonna copy the values from my own tracker and just test it out so you can see it in action. And this is the data, and we go to the charts. You can see it's working perfectly, and oops, as you can see it's working well. So if you have any question, you can message me, comment, send me a DM or whatever. If you have a problem setting this up, I will help you troubleshoot it or set it up for you if you want. And yeah, you'll find the link in this post also, or in the link in the description if I ever post this to YouTube. So yeah, deuces.